A stunning Bob Buescher built home is ready to welcome you with open arms. Part of the Indian chain of 5 lakes, this home is located in the Dallas Bay subdivision on Dallas Lake. Enjoy 126 feet of frontage on a wide, inviting channel with a sandy beach area. 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths provide plenty of room for family and visitors. Throughout the home, you can catch picturesque water views out the abundance of windows. The open concept layout makes it easy to gather in the great room, dining room, and kitchen. Enjoy an evening of relaxation in the great room, staying warm around the fireplace. The kitchen will satisfy your culinary delight with stunning custom cabinetry, an island bar with double sinks, and a walk-in pantry, offering plenty of space to let your inner chef run free. Completing the main level, you'll find the laundry room and bedroom suite. The upper level offers the owner's suite with double vanity sinks and a walk-in closet. Also on the second level are 2 additional bedrooms, a gathering room, and a well-appointed hall bath. With wonderful features such as geothermal heating and cooling, a storage shed, and pier that stays with the home, you won't want to miss out on this one. Call the Hess team for more information.